Hey everyone, this is Somnath Gaudar from Future Coders. Today we'll be talking about top 5 programming languages that you need to learn in the year 2021. At number 5, we have C Sharp. C Sharp is a programming language developed by Microsoft that has made quite a name for itself in the web and game development departments. C Sharp is most regularly used in Unity software, which is one of the most popular game engine software used for developing 2D and 3D video games. C Sharp also plays a huge role in building Windows applications and has therefore been used at the backend side of websites such as Bing and Visual Studio. Coming on to the number 4, we have C or C++. These are among the fastest programming languages out there, providing a high level of functionality. This language is therefore used in the majority of low-level systems, such as operating systems, embedded system, kernel development. It is even used as a baseline in the development of other programming languages. Due to its large set of libraries and stable nature, this plays a huge role in areas of game development, computer graphics, virtual reality, and more. Companies like Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, and Apple are often on the lookout for these developers. At number 3, we have Java. Java is another popular programming language that, despite being one of the oldest languages out there, is still highly in demand. Java is often used in the work of large organizations. It is also widely used in Android development, which, considering the popularity that Android applications have gained, makes Java a highly demanded skill that you should have. Due to Java's scalability, strong memory allocation, and high performance, companies like Amazon, Twitter, and Adobe are a few names that come under the list of users of this programming language. Coming on to the number 2, we have JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most widely used languages, as it is considered the standard programming language of the web. It is used in almost every website you have seen on the internet. JavaScript provides a syntax that allows it to be used in both the front-end and back-end sections of the website, showing the flexibility and the power that it possesses. In addition to HTML and CSS, JavaScript offers a way that allows users to not only develop and design their websites, but also make their websites more dynamic by adding functionalities to the elements present in the site. Moreover, JavaScript is also the fundamental language used in web frameworks such as React, Vue, and Node, making it the undisputed king in the web development department. Websites that you regularly visit such as Google, YouTube, and Wikipedia were all created using JavaScript. Finally, at number 1, we have Python. For people just starting out with computer science in 2021, and even for those with some experience with this language, Python is something every programmer should be comfortable with. This language offers an easy to learn syntax that makes it a popular choice among beginners and professionals. The beauty of Python is that it is extremely versatile, as it can almost be used anywhere. Whether you want to work on some backend application of a website or mobile application, or you want to run some data science related work, Python is critical to these tasks and many more. Python is the preferred language in the areas of machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, and other data science fields. Data science is the hottest topic these days, as businesses and companies are now extracting insights from data analysis and using that to further grow their markets. Libraries such as TensorFlow, Keras, Scikit have made the computation required for running different models extremely cheap and fast to execute. These features and availability of all kinds of libraries in Python have led to enormous growth in demand for this language. Python just keeps on growing without slowing down. That's it guys for today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these.